My name is Asnan and I made $1,500 last month, and this is one skill that I'm continuously working on, and that is communication skills. The way you speak in front of the camera, the way you talk to your clients, the way you just talk to people in general. This is very important. And I've been working on this shit from last 2 years. I've made well over 100 videos on this page, the YouTube channel you are watching this video on. I've made hundreds of videos other than this channel, and I've been practicing communication skills from a very long time now. I come from a third world country, and I've learned how to speak. And in this video I'm going to tell you a few tips and tricks that will position you as an authority in your niche, whatever niche you are in, whether you are a fitness coach, whether you are a content creator talking about self-improvement, whatever you are doing, you need to do these three things in order to position yourself as an authority figure, in order to be someone who is industry leader, who people should look up to. This is what Andrew Tate did. Andrew Tate is preaching the same message like everyone else, the same self-improvement shit, but why is he different from everybody else? Why did he dominated the market? Why is he so famous? Why is he so rich? And there's one reason: he speaks with so much conviction. He uses analogies. He preaches the same message like everyone else, the self-improvement stuff, but he combined one thing with it, the matrix thing. Escape the matrix, this and that. And how you gonna escape the matrix? You have to cut on self-improvement, you have to hit the gym, you have to do this and that. All of the same stuff that everyone else was preaching, but he positioned himself in a different way by using a different analogy. Like you have to escape the matrix, the world is behind you. And he's a very good communicator. He speaks with so much conviction. Even if you see, when he's speaking, he speaks with so much better tempo. He speaks better than 90% of people. And one thing that made him this famous is his communication skills. And these three things that I'm going to tell you is something that Andrew Tate follows as well. The first thing was conviction. The first step is analogies. He uses some different analogies, and now he combined self-improvement with a unique concept that he had in his mind, and now he got famous. He got his own new concept. He has analogies that he uses. Now the next step is conviction. You have to speak with conviction. When I'm speaking, I'm trying to learn how to speak with conviction so that I can keep people engaged. I speak with energy, because energy attracts energy. So whenever you're speaking, just speak with more conviction and just learn to take more pauses. What I have noticed in my communication, because after recording each video I analyze myself, I analyze my communication skills. The one thing that I've noticed in my communication skills is that I take unnecessary pauses. Whenever I'm speaking, I wouldn't take a pause like I'm doing right now. I'm just continuously speaking and I'm not taking pauses. But suddenly mid-sentence, when I'm out of breath, I'll just take a breath in between, and that just kills the video, the content that you are making. So you have to give yourself a bit of time after each long sentence to breathe. This is very important, and this positions you as an authority figure, because you are giving the next person time to digest what you are saying. And you should stutter a little bit. Let's say you are on a sales call, you should be stuttering a little bit, because that makes the conversation a bit real. Because if you are on a sales call, let's say, and you are continuously just speaking without even stuttering, without it will feel like you are using a script or something. And you have to separate yourself from all the people who are using scripts. So do a little bit of stutters if you're on a sales call. These were the two things that I have gave some bonus tips as well. The main two tips were, first of all, analogies like the Andrew Tate uses, and the next step, speaking with conviction. Andrew Tate speaks with a lot of conviction. Now the third step is your tempo, the speed you are speaking with. Now, and if you look at average coach, average person, how they speak is, hey, today I'm going to tell you how you can lose 10 kilograms of weight. Nah, would you listen to this guy? This is so damn boring. You should be giving energy to the next person. You should be speaking with energy, more conviction. You have to find your own speaking style, but you should be moving your hands. You should be having a great body language when you are speaking. You should be having open hands, like I have like very open body language when I'm speaking. You should give energy to the next person. You should be moving like this. This is very ugly, but you should be a bit slow, but your pace should be a bit faster than everybody else, and not to a point where you're just feeling nervous. Because a lot of people do is they'll start speaking just so fast that they sound like they are just afraid and they are just nervous, but you don't have to do that. And the one last step that I would give you, the one last step that I think you should be working on, is that if you are a coach, if you are someone, whatever you are selling, if you want to position yourself as an authority figure in the online space, what you should be focusing on first of all is your product. Whether you are selling info, whether you are selling an agency product, or whatever it is, whether you are, even if you are a sales guy, you should have good enough product. Because if you have good enough product, you will be more confident when speaking about it. This is the first step. And if you already have a good product, good fulfillment, then you should be focusing on communication skills. Communication skills is the part that really matters. It is what will generate money for your business. So you should be learning communication skills. So these were the three main steps. First, using analogies like Andrew Tate does. He combined self-improvement with matrix, got a unique concept, and sold everybody. And the second step is he speaks with a lot of conviction. The next step is tempo, the way you speak. So these were three steps, and you should all be following these steps in order to be good communicators, in order to learn how to speak. Like, all of this stuff matters, man. You just gotta be focusing on it. Bye bye. I'll meet you in another one.